Oh, starry night, the world so still and sleeping. The snow is soft like whispers on the ground. The air is cold, but hearts are warmly keeping the light of love. It softly wraps around. Oh, starry night, the heavens shine so bright. A song of peace, a world aglow tonight. Oh, starry night. Oh, starry night.
The church bells ring, their echoes softly soaring through quiet streets where frost begins to gleam. The fire glows, a family close, adoring the joy of life. It feels just like a dream.
Oh, starry night, the heavens shine so bright. A song of peace, a world aglow tonight. Oh, starry night. Oh, starry night. A wish, a prayer for those who feel despair. A hand to hold, a heart to know you care. Oh, starry night, you guide us through the dark with every twinkle, lighting every spark. Oh, starry night, the heavens shine so bright. A song of peace, a world aglow tonight. Oh, starry night. Oh, starry night. The fire hums a gentle tune tonight. The world is cloaked in snowy white. Oh, the frost nips, but it feels so right. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow, while the winds outside may blow. In here, love's the only glow. Icicles hang like crystal dreams. The moonlight dances on frozen streams. Your hand in mine, it warms the scenes. Oh, winter whispers, soft and low. Let it snow, outside may blow, in here love's the only glow. The clock may tick, the hours pass, but time can't melt this moment's glass. Each snowflake falls a fleeting spark, yet here we stay against the dark. Snow falls soft like whispers on the pine. Candles glow, the holly starts to shine. Through frosted panes, the world feels divine. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and joy through the year. Bells are chiming, calling hearts to cheer. Fireplace crackles, bringing loved ones near. A cup of cider toasts the season clear. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and joy through the year. From the mountains to the valleys low, from the city to the fields of snow, every heart is singing, lights aglow. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and joy through the year. The snow is falling heavy tonight. Every chimney's got its glow so bright. The sleigh bells jingle in the frosty air. Stockings hung neat by the fireside, with a twinkle of hope and eyes open wide. Santa's on his way, ho, ho, ho. Through the snow he'll go, oh, oh, oh. Better behave now, don't you frown. Santa Claus is coming to town. There's a sparkle in the night so clear. Every rooftop whispers he's near. Reindeer dancing in a moonlit show. Dreams take flight in the frosty light. He'll be here before the clock strikes midnight. Santa's on his way, ho, ho, ho. Through the snow Snowflakes waltz on the frosty breeze. Lanterns flicker through the whispering trees. A crackling fire hums a sweet melody. Under the mistletoe glow we'll stay, hearts wrapped up in holiday sway. Oh, the world's aglow, soft and slow under the mistletoe glow. Carols drift from the old town square. Magic lingers in the crisp night air. Your hand in mine, a promise we share. Jingle bells chime like a secret tune. The stars are winking at the silver moon, and every step feels like a dance with you. Hearts wrapped up in holiday sway. Oh, the world's aglow, soft and slow under the mistletoe glow. The night may fade, the snow may melt, but this Christmas love is forever felt under the mistletoe glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you glance. The tinsel gleams, the snowflakes dance, the magic starts to entrance. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. The carols fill the air with candy canes and window panes and holly everywhere. Take a stroll down the avenue, hear the bells ring. Children laugh, their mittens swing. The world is wrapped in red and white, a picture perfect sight. A tree in the parlor, a star on the peak. The stockings are waiting, so cozy, so sleek. A world full of wonder, a season unique. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. The joy is here to stay. The sleigh bells chime, it's that time. Merry Christmas Day. Snowflakes fall on the chapel steeple, soft and bright as a dreamland glow. Candles flicker through frosted windows, guiding hearts where joy will grow. Oh, come, let us adore Him. The King of heaven's light. Oh, come, let us adore him this holy, silent night. Golden bells sing a hymn of wonder. Stars align in the velvet sky. Hush the world in a breathless whisper. Glory echoes, angels fly. Oh, come, let us adore him, the King of heaven's light. Oh, come, let us adore him this holy, silent night. Hark the heavens calling, hearts in grace enthralling. Follow where his love will lead. Hope is born this eve. Oh, come, let us adore him, the King of heaven's light. Oh, come, let us adore him this holy, silent night. Candles glow on a frosty night, windows framed with silver light. Footsteps crunch where the holly grows. Joy to the world, let the bells ring loud. Lift your voice, join the heavenly crowd. Joy to the world where the love is found. Evergreens dressed in winter's best. Hearts are full, we forget the rest. Stars above in a velvet show. Join the heavenly crowd. Joy to the world where the love is found. Laughter echoes down the lane, carols sung in sweet refrain. Magic lingers, time feels slow. Joy to the world, let the bells ring loud. Lift your voice, join the heavenly crowd. Joy to the world where the love is found. fire hums a tender tune. The clock strikes 12 beneath the moon. Snow whispers soft like a lover's sigh. Snowflakes and starlight glistening bright, magic is painted on this wintry night. Oh, snowflakes and starlight, hearts taking flight, wrapped in the glow of a Christmas delight. Icicles hang like crystal chimes, echoing songs of merry times. The sleigh bells jingle a frosty cheer. The world feels small, yet oh so wide, with you, my love, here by my side. Snowflakes and starlight, glistening bright, magic is painted on this wintry night. Oh, snowflakes and starlight, hearts taking flight, wrapped in the glow of a Christmas delight. The world is a snow globe, spinning slow, each flake a wish, each star aglow. Dreams unfurl in the icy air, and love's the gift we always share. City whispers, the cold air hums, snowflakes fall where the carolers come. Every storefront glows, their windows alight. Silver lights, silver lights, twinkling bright on this frosty night. Silver lights, the season's here, hearts take flight. Church bells chime through the snowy haze, children laugh in their joyful maze. Footsteps crunch where the cobblestones gleam. Oh, the warmth of the fire and the choir. Oh, the choir singing songs of a world wrapped in dreams. Silver lights, silver under silver lights, the magic's real. Snow is falling on the rooftops high, twinkling lights in the winter sky. A fire crackles warm and bright. I dream of home this silent night. I'll be home for Christmas. Wait for me by the glowing tree, where love runs free. Though the road is long, my heart is near. I'll be home for Christmas this year. The clock ticks slow, the night feels cold. Memories shimmer like stories told. A wreath on the door, the scent of pine. I'll cross the miles, your hand in mine. I'll be home for Christmas. Wait for me by the glowing tree, where love runs free. Though the road is long, my heart is near. I'll be home for Christmas this year. Hold the candle, let it burn so true. Guide me back to the warmth of you. Through every snowflake, through every star, I'll find my way, no matter how far. I'll be home for Christmas. Wait for me by the glowing tree, where love runs free. Though the road is long, my heart is near. I'll be home for Christmas this year.